Today we're doing the crossbar challenge and the woodwork challenge with Nicholas.
Okay, the crossbar challenge is basically taking a PK shot, but the challenge is to be the first. Is to be the first one to hit the crossbar. The woodwork challenge is to hit each side of the post. I'm actually gonna go stand by them because this is actually for many people. 1, 2, and 3. Those are known as the goalposts and crossbar. That's interesting fact. That's actually how they're numbered off. You can actually look it up.
Interesting.
So let's get this started.
Wait, so which one are you doing first? Which challenge are you doing first?
I'm gonna try to do crossbar.
Crossbar?
Which one do you want to go for?
I'll do crossbar too.
Okay.
Top one?
Top one, yes. Not the bottom right corner. The crossbar challenge is a turn-based thing, just a heads up. So 2. Nope.
Dang it.
He's got to hit this thing. Right there. That light is really weird. Interesting fact that I've actually completed the crossbar challenge too many times just trying to score a shot.
Yeah.
In my most recent game, I did it 8 times.
Whoa. Wait, what are you gonna do?
Hit the crossbar.
Are you kidding?
Yeah. That was sad skill. Your sad skill. Three more shots before we switch.
Yeah.
That was a good shot, but not a crossbar. Actually, did I say shots or crossbar? That's really gonna annoy me now. I'm not sure if I said shots or crossbar.
You said shot.
Okay.
You said that was a really good shot.
Just watch me make it right now. Just ruin your own video. Let's skip to edit. It'd be. I wish you had better editing software so you could just. I'm not sure where you hit.
I didn't hit it.
Did you hit post 3? This one? Post 3, post 1, post 2.
I hit post 3.
Ah. The woodwork challenge. You have to hit post 1, post 1, post 2, and post 3. You have to hit them all first. And if your opponent hits all before you do, you have one last chance to hit the last one that you haven't hit. I'm most likely gonna miss this, but an example. Yep, I knew I was gonna miss it. 1. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Never mind, 13.
He's gonna do. See how many juggles he can do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 8, 9, 10. I mean 20. Oh, you only made it to 20.
I don't care. I think I may be tangled in the rope eventually.
When Nicholas was trying to climb up, he got tangled in the rope. The funniest thing ever. And now he's trying to climb up. What's the difference between me and Nicholas getting up?
I'm not athletic. Look at your shorts.
Look at his shirt. Are you gonna get up here or not?
Hello, Ed Nearly.
Who's that?
Well-known person for a while. He was well known behind the scene. You're gonna land on your bag of chips.
Marshmallows. Oh God. Oh.
Don't break the net.
I get
Oh, that crossbar only.